Madam Speaker, we've set aside $62.3 million towards the Ministry of Sugar Industry. We're continuing our efforts to modernize the industry to prepare it to be more competitive in the global market and more capable of supporting the over 200,000 Fijians and their families who rely on the help of the sugar industry. Sugarcane replanting, the fertilizer subsidy, weedicide subsidy, farm mechanization, the subsidy for cane cartage, the rehabilitation of cane access roads, the incentives we introduced for new farmers to grow cane, cane top-up payments by government, that is all going to continue, Madam Speaker. And as we saw through sugarcane care, this government is ready to respond swiftly and effectively when our cane farmers are hit by severe weather. What's new in this budget, Madam Speaker, is that we will be setting up a stabilization price and funded in partnership with the Fiji Sugar Corporation of $85 a tonne for all cane payments for the next 3 years. We've already maintained cane payments for over $82 for the last 3 years, but now we're going to be able to bring a solid level of stabilization. That's possible because of tremendous effort of this government to reduce the cost base for farmers and mechanize this industry. That agenda has allowed the FSC to sell off underutilized assets. And this stabilized price will be funded from the Sugar Stabilization Fund within the FSC, bringing cane farmers a level of security, certainty and confidence in the sugar industry over the long term. The government will be funding this measure as well with an allocation in the 2019-2020 fiscal year. Madam Speaker, this is similar to the stabilization program we already introduced for coconut farmers and which will of course continue.